Adroit. Meaning: adroit means being skillful and clever in handling situations or tasks, especially with physical or mental abilities. Definition: adroit is an adjective that describes someone who is highly skilled, proficient, or clever in a particular task or situation, showing great expertise and dexterity. Examples in sentences. 1. She was adroit at solving complex problems quickly and efficiently. Here, adroit refers to her skill in solving difficult problems with expertise. 2. The pianist's adroit fingers moved effortlessly across the keys, creating beautiful music. In this sentence, adroit describes the pianist's skillful and precise movements on the piano. Usage: adroit is typically used to highlight someone's impressive skill, talent, or dexterity, particularly in performing tasks that require mental sharpness or physical precision.
English practice.